Bangladeshi national. He came to India in the year 2009. Religious threat as because petitioner belong to Hindu religion.
His land over here under the
As
PMAY scheme.
as municipality granted certificate.
Municipal certificate.
Oh no, his residential certificate.
Residential certificate
His
is
ration
not
card, then land purchase, ration card.
ration card is
What
what is the state doing? But
if-
thereafter,
if
how would you get the ration card over here?
that authority has there were 31st January 2024. One FIR has been registered against the petitioner under the Foreigner Act. He is in jail custody. He came to India.
But before that, the learned port is there. Why are you here before the
that provision is there. Well, I am for the petitioner, madam. Petitioner initially Bangladeshi national. He came to India in the year 2009 due to religious threat as because petitioner belong to Hindu religion. Thereafter what happened? He is residing as Badwan. Tenancy agreement is 26, page 26. Then residential certificate issued by the municipality. He purchased land.
But then petitioner is a citizen of Bangladesh.
Yes, my lord. In 2009, he came to India. My lord, he purchased land. Government scheme, my lord, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana house has been constructed. His
Is it
voter card.
permissible? Can a Bangladeshi purchase land over here under the PMAY scheme?
As because municipality granted certificate.
Municipality granted voter certificate.
Oh no, his residential certificate.
Residential certificate
His
is
ration
not
card, voter card, everything is then land purchase. Ration card, everything is in the name of the petitioner. Then
ration card is what is state doing?
I want to show one document.
I'll hear. Yes.
Kindly come to page 74. Amendment of the Foreigner Act 2015.
74.
Yes.
Amendment of
Passport Entry into India Amendment Act Rules 2015.
Yes.
The person belonging to minority communities in Bangladesh and Pakistan, namely Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi, Christian, who are compelled to seek shelter in India due to religious persecution or fear of religious prosecution, enter into India on or before 31st December 2014. Without any valid document including passport or other travel document, or with valid document including passport and travel validity or any other document has expired. Then 75 next page Amendment of Foreigner Act 3A serial number 23A, exemption of certain class of foreigners. The persons belonging to minority communities in Bangladesh and Pakistan, namely Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain and Parsis and Christians, who were compelled to seek shelter in India due to religious persecution or fear.
Then what happened?
Then this without document or valid document hereby granted exemption from the application of provision of Foreigner Act. Then
whoever is exempted, but thereafter how would you get the ration card over here?
That authority has approved how. If person, my contention is that Foreigner Act will not be applicable here, as because this amendment hereby granted exemption from application of provision of the Foreigner Act 1946. Then 31st January 2024, one FIR has been registered against the petitioner under the Foreigner Act. He has written, till now he is in jail custody. My contention is that he came to India.
But for that, the learned port is there. Why are you here before
that provision is there,
Then
person is, if his right to life is threatened.
Please come.
If as to Foreigner Act, their provision is will not be applicable.
The charge sheet file already filed.
Yes.
And my lord, the bail application moved before the court will rejected.
And what happened
before this honorable court rejected.
The petitioner.
FIR, kindly see 1 minute.
Petitioners are Bangladeshi citizens.
FIR they have stated.
They have been arrested and taken in custody.
Report, my lord.
Yes. Stop.
My Lord, kindly
The
have a look
petitioner
only
relies
my Lord,
upon
the first, second sentence
various
on the basis of the
notifications published
Foreigners-
by the
foreigners registration. They are from
Ministry of Home Affairs in the Gazette of India in support of the submission that the Foreigners Act will not be applicable in their case in view of the said notifications of the Ministry of Home Affairs.
And the prayer is for, my Lord, the quashing of the proceeding.
The petitioner has prayed for quashing of the proceeding pending before the learned court. Stop. Paragraph.
At the top, my Lord,
The-
that report from 12 January 24 from APAR.
Learned advocate representing the state respondents has obtained instruction from the inspector in charge, Aushgram Police Station, which mentions that the accused persons were arrested under the Foreigners Act and were produced before the court of the learned CJM,
Also
Purva Bardhaman.
also for forgery, my Lord, the passport, entire thing for
All right.
document.
The persons, the prayer for bail stood rejected by the learned court. And-
also the High Court. He admitted in the writ petition.
Prayer for bail was made before the High Court, which also stood rejected.
And my Lord, charge sheet, my Lord, 5.
Stop. Charge sheet being charge sheet number 109/2024, dated 9th of May 2024, has also been filed. Stop. Paragraph. Upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties, the relief sought for by the petitioners cannot be allowed. Stop. It will be open for the petitioners to approach the competent forum for relief. Writ petition dismissed.
Good.
Service taken on record.